Here's how to fix low volume on your AirPods. Now, if you have Apple AirPods, but the volume is really low, it's hard to hear calls, maybe you're watching videos, or maybe you're listening to music, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop into our settings here, and we're going to open up our AirPods here so that they'll just connect to our phone. And then you can see at the very top, Trevor's AirPods Pro. So let's tap on those. Now, there are a couple different things we can do here. One is you can see noise cancellation off or transparency. So, depending on the call volume or the audio volume, it might be interrupted by, say, this noise cancellation. If you have noise cancellation turned on, then potentially there's too much background noise that it's trying to take out and it's limiting the volume. So, I recommend maybe trying to switch it to off instead of transparency or noise cancellation. The other thing you can do is do this ear tip fit test. Basically, go through this process to see if it is a good fit to make sure that you're not getting any audio that's just being lost because you don't have a good fit in your ear. So go through those steps and then we'll go back and we'll do a couple other things. Let's tap on sounds and haptics and then at the top, headphone safety. Now on here, you can see reduce loud sounds. So if basically you have that turned on, it will limit how loud your AirPods can get. So you can either just toggle this up or you can just completely turn this feature off if you don't want your iPhone to limit how loud your AirPods can get. Now, going through all of these different steps, of course, another thing is let's swipe down from the top right and let's just toggle this volume all the way up on our phone. This will ensure that the maximum amount of sound comes from our iPhone through Bluetooth into our AirPods. Now, going through those steps, the next thing that we're going to do is let's bring these AirPods out and we're going to visually inspect it. It's a bit gross, but sometimes earwax gets built up in these AirPods. So you're just going to take this little rubber stopper off of your AirPods. You're going to give it a good clean and basically just wipe down and clean the entire AirPods just to make sure that that is not the cause and the culprit of you having low sound or low volume on those AirPods. So going through all of those steps that should help to get better sound to your AirPods, make sure that the volume is all the way up on your iPhone, clean out those AirPods, and then make sure there are no settings that are limiting or distracting, maybe through that noise cancellation or something like that, the amount of volume that gets to your AirPods. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.